Of the many changes in today's world, perhaps the most striking are the changes that come from the evolution of processes. Changes not in what we do, but in how we do it. Today's toll roads feature smooth, efficient scanner systems, such as EasyPass. Grocery checkout counters include do-it-yourself scanning. Hotel guests use electronic key cards. The result, processes that transfer information faster, efficiently, and more accurately. In the pharmaceutical and bioprocess industries, these same kinds of improvements towards faster, more accurate, and convenient management of information are happening right now with the development of the Process Equipment Tracking, or PET system from Advantapure. These systems allow production facilities to move from traditional logbooks to electronic systems developed to track critical process components. The key to this step forward, RFID, or Radio Frequency Identification. The Advantapure PET system applies this proven technology to help firms replace antiquated systems with item-level tracking of every component. The PET system identifies each component by the Globally Unique Identifier, or GUID, built into the RFID tag. Cleaning, usage, and maintenance activities are recorded and transmitted to a centralized database using a handheld computer, so every facet of a manufacturing process can be tracked with precision. Best of all, the PET system employs proven technology, is network compatible, scalable, and integrates well with existing IT architecture. PET data can easily be accessed by a wide range of manufacturing software, SAP, ProPack, Delta V, and more, either by a built-in link or a simple middleware program. Information on every component can be at your fingertips from anywhere within the facility. This streamlined, robust system is available without changing any basic elements of the process, including SOPs or workflow. How can the PET system make a difference in your pharmaceutical or biotechnology plant? Let's start with minimizing risk within the plant. In many traditional systems, information comes from a paper label or barcode, which may fall off or be damaged, and the information is then laboriously entered into a logbook. While inexpensive and easy to create, these methods require an unobstructed and direct line of sight. If the label is altered or worn, it becomes illegible. Also, a barcode cannot be updated with current and useful information. It is not a read-write medium. With the PET system, an RFID tag is added to all components during the manufacturing process, and the tag stays with the component throughout its life. An operator, using a handheld device, simply reads the PET tag electronically, gaining key information instantly. The system can inform the operator in real time of such factors as when the hose or equipment had been cleaned last, whether there is any danger of cross-contamination, or whether there are any pending maintenance issues. The monitoring and control of your critical process components has never been easier, more accurate, or reliable. The data you need from anywhere in your facility is as close as each operator's handheld device. Next, consider the audit trail. Most traditional tracking systems require a labor-intensive effort when responding to an audit, locating, retrieving, and refilling logbooks and documentation. The PET system keeps records automatically, providing records of where, when, and by whom changes were made, all in a 21 CFR Part 11 validated package. These records, along with component document consolidation, are accessible from any networked computer running PET. That means significant cost savings through reduced labor, increased efficiency, and can reduce the overall length of an FDA audit. The day-to-day operation of the PET system is simple. Let's look closely at how PET maximizes both communication and convenience. When an operator notices a discrepancy on a component, a note can quickly be communicated to a supervisor via the handheld reader-writer. The supervisor can then address the issue using a similar process. There's no need for operators to search for information in logbooks. The necessary data and recommended action simply appears on screen. Calendar-based replacement methods do not maximize return on investment. PET enables you to record actual wear-related events, providing personnel the ability to perform life cycle analysis on critical components and create a cost-effective replacement schedule, thus minimizing the risk of excessive degradation or component failure. Advantapure is also addressing the current trend towards single-use systems by developing RFID solutions that can endure exposure to gamma radiation. Gamma Tag, available exclusively from Advantapure, is the first and only read and write RFID tag that is safely sterilizable by gamma and E-beam radiation. Its resistance to these sterilization methods makes Gamma Tag the ideal tracking method, and it can be used as part of PET or separately. Gamma Tag's rugged construction and ability to retain its data after exposure to these sterilization methods means that critical component information like part, serial, or lot numbers will accompany that component from manufacture through sterilization all the way to the end user. If you want to minimize risk, enhance your audit trail, consolidate documents, and reduce costs, all within a 21 CFR Part 11 validated system, Advantapure's PET Process Equipment Tracking System is definitely worth a closer look.